Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing good. And today I'm back with another challenge. I don't know what to call this challenge, but you will obviously see it in the title. So I wanted to do like a food challenge, but as I'm on a diet, so I cannot do a food challenge. But I, kind of made a different challenge related to food only. So I'm going to have my diet food, but not in the order like breakfast, lunch, and dinner. These cheats will help me decide the order in which we are going to eat. So now is the time for breakfast, and if I get like a cheat which says dinner, then I will have what I was supposed to have for dinner now. You know, do you understand? So yes, this is the breakfast time, and the first thing we are going to get, it's already 10, so I'm very hungry. So this is the first thing. Let's see what we get. And I'm very hungry because yesterday I had eaten papaya at like 7 o'clock, and from that time I have not eaten anything, and I'm very hungry. Dinner. Oh god, I had not planned for dinner, but for dinner I was either going to have a soup or salad, or you can have raw haldi milk. Let's see what we are going to have for dinner now. Chalo. So guys, I'm back with my turmeric milk, and if you're wondering what this is, then this is just a jugaad, because in the last to last video there was lot of sound of the fan, and that's why I thought let's do something for the audio quality. So I just attached my headphones, and this is the mic that is that comes with the headphone. So I'm using it that way, and I've just put a clip over here. So after 2 hours I'm going to have my midday snack, and for that I'm choosing now only what I'm going to have, because if breakfast or lunch comes, then I have to make preparations like 1 hour before only. That's why I'm removing it now only. So lunch, if you can see lunch. Okay, lunch. I still not thought what I would wait. Actually, for lunch I was about to have cold coffee, but now that we are already having turmeric milk, so I'm either going to have a salad or soup. Let's see. First I have to go to the groceries to buy some stuff, and then we will decide what we are going to have for lunch. When I have my snacks, that time I'm going to have my lunch. Okay, so let's go. So guys, as we got lunch, I was thinking of making ladyfinger salad. That is, this recipe is there on Fat to Fab channel, so I'm going to refer that recipe only. And also I wanted some strawberries, because when snacks come I want to have strawberries. So yeah, I have to buy these things, and so let's go to the grocery. Okay guys, finally it is snack time. After coming from grocery shopping, I quickly made the salad, because my salad is here. This is the first time I've tried this, and I will link the recipe in the description. So if you want to try it, you can go ahead and check it out. So let's try this. Okay, I'm not that much into salads, and it's okay, eatable. I can eat it. Before going, I want to again pick up a cheat so that I can do the tayari for the next round. So we have 3 cheats left now. For lunch, what we are going to have, I'm going to pick that up now. So evening snacks. So for lunch we are going to have evening snacks. So for evening snacks I usually have makhanas and green tea. So yes, that is what we are going to have for the lunch. So guys, finally it is the lunch time, and for lunch I had got evening snacks. So I have made myself makhanas or makhnas, I don't know what you call it, and green tea. Also, I want you to tell me how did you like the last video, the week 1 update of the fat to fat diet. And yes, I'm continuing it and hope you like that series. So I want you to tell me like what kind of videos you all want. I am planning to upload like 2 videos every week. One will be the weight loss update, the regular one which will come on Thursdays, and one more which will be like the other regular uploads, something entertaining, something like challenge or vlog, something like that. So that will probably come on Mondays. So yes, now from now on you will get 2 uploads every week. It's the time we are going to choose again from these 2 cheats, and by now I'm already full actually, but let's see what we have got. So this one, breakfast. Okay, for evening snack I have to eat breakfast. So around 5 I will eat breakfast. Okay, nice. My dinner will be light. I'll catch you back when I have my breakfast during my evening snack time. So it is 5 o'clock and now we are going to have the breakfast. So let me tell you that breakfast is the heaviest meal that I do in a day. So yeah, I'll show you what I have. So we have 2 chapatis, green beans sabzi, dal and brinjal fry. So you will be like, the full video is shot in this room only, with this background only, because the full day I was in this room and I have my lunch, dinner in this room only. And I work on my laptop, or I edit videos, or I read something, or I watch something, but most part of the day goes in this room only. So I'm like a boring person. I don't go outside, I don't do anything. So you all tell me what you all do to like have a enjoying and fun and entertaining life. Let me know. I will also try it. Okay, I will enjoy my breakfast now. Bye. So it is 7:30 now, and the last thing I'm going to have is strawberries. I love strawberries. If any of y'all like them, please let me know in the comments. We are going to be a squad of strawberry fans. Okay, anyways, also I'm full right now because the last thing I had was breakfast and it was very heavy. So it's okay, no problem. It was a challenge. And if you have more challenges for me, that does not hamper my diet, because once I go off track, then I go in that direction only. That's why I'm not breaking my diet for any challenge or anything else. So after 3 months, I will take up all other challenges that relate to food and all. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video, which will be week 2 update of my fat to fat diet. So yes, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And yeah, bye guys, see ya.